Hey there, crypto explorers. Welcome back to Fantastic Finds and Features, where we uncover the latest and greatest in the world of digital currency. Today, we're diving into the top 5 cryptocurrencies that are set to make a splash in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just dipping your toes into the crypto waters, these coins are worth keeping an eye on. Let's jump right in. First up is Bitcoin, BTC. As the pioneer of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin remains the heavyweight champion of the market. With its established network and growing acceptance as a digital store of value, Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold. In 2025, we anticipate continued institutional interest and potential price surges as more people recognize its long-term value. Next, we have Ethereum, ETH. Known for its groundbreaking smart contract capabilities, Ethereum powers a vast array of decentralized applications and DeFi projects. With the transition to Ethereum 2.0 focusing on scalability and sustainability, Ethereum is primed for significant growth in 2025. Its vibrant ecosystem and ongoing innovations make it a must-watch in the crypto landscape. Now, let's shine a spotlight on Cardano, ADA. This blockchain platform is all about security, scalability, and sustainability. With a strong development team and a commitment to academic research, Cardano is on a mission to create a more efficient blockchain. As it rolls out new features and forges partnerships, Cardano could see impressive growth in the coming years. Next on our list is Solana, SOL. This high-speed blockchain is designed for performance, making it a favorite among developers building decentralized applications. With its low transaction fees and lightning-fast processing times, Solana has gained traction in the DeFi and NFT spaces. As more projects launch on its platform, Solana is definitely one to watch in 2025. Finally, we have Polkadot, DOT. This innovative platform enables different blockchains to communicate and share information seamlessly. With its unique architecture and focus on scalability, Polkadot is well positioned to meet the growing demand for cross-chain solutions. As more projects adopt its technology, Polkadot could see increased adoption and value in the coming years. And there you have it, our top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2025. Which coin are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep exploring the crypto universe and investing wisely. Catch you on the next adventure.